Landscapes can be uploaded to IFTDSS. From the Landscape Tools widget, select the Upload tab. One note on uploading landscapes. For the landscape upload to complete successfully, it must be a GeoTIFF file, not compressed in a zip folder, and has to be smaller than 600 megabytes and smaller than 6 million pixels. To view the full set of requirements, there's a link to the Landscape Upload Requirements help page here. It'll have the requirements, information on using clipped landscapes, how gaps in data are treated, band checks, and other information. To upload a landscape, click the Upload button. This will open File Explorer, and you can select the file you need from your local computer. You can see IFTDSS is uploading and extracting the data. From this point, you can see some basic landscape information as well as the extent. The landscape name will be populated based on the file name, but we can change that here if we wanted. We could also select an existing folder or create a new folder to store it in. We have the same notes field in Landscape Upload as Landscape Create. There's an option to include or exclude the landscape buffer. This is on by default. It could be turned off. When it's on, IFTDSS will carve out a approximately 3-mile outer edge to use as a buffer area, and that is so the landscape can be used in models like landscape burn probability, which is a requirement for running risk assessment. Once you click Create, we'll be asked again if we want to include a buffer or not, and I'll go ahead and proceed with yes, indicating that we do want to use a buffer. We can see confirmation boxes letting us know the landscape upload process has started, and it's not quite in Map Studio yet. To check its progress, we'll go to my workspace, a quick filter for landscapes, and we can see it is building. I'll click refresh and we can see the landscape is completed. This workspace view can be particularly useful because of the status message that appears in the right-hand panel. If I select this landscape, you can see the status message is complete. If this had failed for some reason, that would be indicated here as well, and IFTDSS would give us the exact reason why the upload failed. So from there, if we needed to make some landscape changes or file changes, we could do that. And to view this landscape, we'll click File Options and View on Map. From here, this landscape is now visible in IFTDSS. Scrolling through the layer list, we can see the landscape boundary and the buffer area beyond that. The landscape features with fuel model turned on by default.